Well, Wally here. Guys, in this very nice little canvas pouch, I have the Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set. And I love it. Guys, this thing is fantastic. It's brilliant, okay? So, I have this maybe, I'm going to say 5 years, guys. It's probably more. I have this 5 years, okay? And this comes with me every time I'm out in the woods, okay? Now, this is not it in its basic form, guys. This is my version, my trimmed down and my added to version, guys, and I just want to have a look at it, and I want to tell you guys why I love it and why I think it is such a cool little bushcraft item, okay? So let's have a look, guys. This is a cup, a Tatanka stainless steel cup, okay? It is on tight, okay? And it nests in very nicely, alright? And this is made of stainless steel. I think it's like 24 ounces or something. 24 ounces. It says it's calibrated on the sides here, guys, which is a real handy touch. Now, so works like this. And this is your handle here. You see that? And this sits up like this. You can lift that off. And inside this, guys, I just have something a little bit different. I like having coffee in the woods, okay? So this is what I use when I'm making my coffee. Okay. And this is the way I carry it. Alright? So, guys, all I've done to modify this is I have drilled 2 holes in the side. So a hole here and a hole here, and I've added this piece of wire. Alright, that means that I can suspend it over the fire like this on a pot hanger of some description. And what I can do then, guys, is that it just means that I can still use this for lifting it, okay? It was not a very difficult thing to do, alright? And that just sits and folds flat like that. And what I've done, guys, is I don't use the cups. It comes with 2 green nesting cups to fit on the inside. And what I like to do is I keep this little container in it, and inside that container is ground coffee, okay? And that just fits on the inside. This is just a percolator. This is just the bottom of a French press, guys, and this fits perfectly in here like this, okay? And all I do is I unscrew this handle like so. This just comes off. And that just sits down in like that. That goes back in. And that goes in the side, guys. Alright, so look, and then this the lid just sits on top. Okay, you need to move this, because this sort of locks the handle in place. So you move this to the back. And there you go. And that's it, guys. Guys, this thing, it's excellent. It's just an excellent. It's just a very well thought out, very simple piece of equipment, guys. It's very light and very easy to carry. Okay, so when I used to be using a lot of MREs or prepared meals in pouches and all, so what I would do is, guys, is I would just sort of fold them over and put them in this with water and boil them in this to heat them up. Okay, and there you're boiling the bag type meals, guys, and it works 100%. So basically, you know, an overnight trip, this was the only pot that I was taking with me. All right. What I have done, guys, is I have a bigger pot that I use now, but for day hikes and stuff like that and day trips where I'm only boiling water, always carry this, guys. And I have a really nice little canvas pouch to come for it as well. So this is just the way it all fits back together. Like that. Goes back into the pouch, guys. These cost between 17 and 20 quid as far as I can see, just from a little bit of research today. They are well worth it, well worth it, guys, and I would recommend them to anybody Whether they've been doing bushcraft for a long time and they've never heard of them, or whether they're just new to it, guys, and they're looking to build up some equipment. The Stanley Adventure Cook Set. Great job. Coffee in the woods, what's not to love? Guys, thanks for watching. Stay frosty.